In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stages to a pipeline in Salesflare. By the end, your pipeline will mirror the real steps your deals go through, making your team's workflow clearer and your reporting more accurate. Start by logging into Salesflare. In the top area of your screen, click the profile or gear icon to open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section called Configure Pipelines. This is the control center for how your pipelines are structured, including the stages deals move through. On the Configure Pipelines screen, you'll see a list of your existing pipelines. Click the pipeline you want to update. If you manage multiple pipelines, choose the one that best matches your sales process today, such as new business or renewals, so your changes land where your team actually works. Now it's time to add a stage. Look for the orange plus button, typically at the bottom right. Click it, then choose the option to add a new stage. Give your stage a clear, action-based name like Proposal Sent, Negotiation, or Qualified. Short, specific names make it easier for your team to know exactly when to move a deal forward, and they make your reporting more meaningful. Consider using consistent wording across pipelines if your team references the same milestones. Once you've added the stage, you can fine-tune the order. Simply drag and drop stages until they match your real-world flow from first contact to closing. Put earlier steps on the left and later steps on the right, so your board reads like a timeline. If you need to adjust a name, click the pencil or edit icon on that stage and update the label. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. Your pipeline can evolve as your process improves. When you're happy with the layout, you don't need to hit a save button. Salesflare saves automatically, so you can simply exit settings. Your updated stages will now be available when you view or manage opportunities in that pipeline. A couple of quick best practices to keep in mind as you go. Keep stage names unambiguous. Avoid duplicates, and try not to overcomplicate the flow with too many steps. A clean, well-ordered pipeline makes it easier to forecast and spot bottlenecks. That's it. You've successfully added stages to a Salesflare pipeline and set up a structure that reflects how you actually sell.